Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Looking at the sun can trigger sneezing because of the photic sneeze reflex, which affects about 18 to 35% of people. Bright light overstimulates nerves controlling blinking and tearing, and in some, this overlaps with nerves that cause sneezing. It's a harmless but fascinating quirk of our nervous system.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.